Hello viewers, welcome to Jesse's Sweet Kitchen. In this channel, I will be teaching you how to make Italian and African dish with style. So please subscribe and share this video and give it a like and press the bell icon so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be first to be notified. So viewers, let's get started. In today's episode, I will be showing you how I make this my delicious puff puff. I will be taking you step by step and showing you how I make it. So come with me and let's get started. So I have 5 cups of all-purpose flour. I have 600 ml of water and 1.5 cup of sugar. I have pineapple extract and nutmeg. I have some salt to taste. I have my yeast. So first of all, I will be adding my sugar to my flour. Add your yeast, your wet yeast. Mix very well. Mix everything together very well. So add your salt. Continue mixing. Add nutmeg. Why I adding nutmeg? For extra flavor. That is my own version of making a puff puff. So I add nutmeg and I will still add the pineapple extract for extra flavor. So I will be adding water little by little and mixing it. After adding all your water, continue mixing it until there is no flour, the seed of flour inside. Mix it thoroughly and add your pineapple extract. I had a half teaspoon of pineapple extract and cover it to rest for at least 6 hours. I make my own to rest for overnight. So the next morning, this is how it look like. So I turn my gas on and I put my pan in the fire. Add the oil, cooking oil in the pan and allow it to hot. As you can see, my own is hot. So as I use a spoon to turn the dough very well so that the hair will go out from it, then you use the spoon to put it little by little the way you see me doing in this video. So flip it around until it turn golden brown like the way my own is. So repeat the process. So after frying it, as you can see, it's very beautiful. So I prefer to add a little bit of sugar, granulated sugar. So if you prefer, you can add or you can skip it, but I like adding it for extra sweet flavor. So guys, as you can see, my puff puff, my own version of puff puff is ready. There's a lot of way of doing puff puff, so I make this version today. So next time I'll be doing another version. So as you can see, it's very beautiful at the inside and very tasty. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, share it to your friends and family, give it a like, press all the bell notification so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified. And follow me in my other social media platform in the description box down below. Thank you for watching. God bless you and bye bye.